The world of work is changing with the emergence of powerful new tools and technologies. The adoption of virtual reality is rapidly increasing as organizations undergo digital transformation. Transfer Thought has developed an advanced and innovative platform that makes virtual reality simple and accessible. With a single cloud-based platform, organizations can easily create premium VR content, share, and manage it across multiple users and devices worldwide. Our system offers numerous benefits, including onboard employees faster and more effectively, improve retention and recall through experiential learning, repeatable and controlled exposure to stressful and dangerous situations, perform training remotely and/or asynchronously, saving time and money, skills assessment and data insights. To learn more about VR training or schedule a demo, visit www.transferthought.com. Transfer Thought, highly engaging training at scale.